word to Malaysian K-popers, Diana.
We had so much fun at Jump Street today, and we experienced so many good things here. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Love you.
And d.crunch, lepas ni kalau datang Malaysia, you find me, okay?
Yeah.
So ini adalah hadiah candy. Yes.
Aki first.
No, you guys stay first.
그리고 마지막에
바닐라 있는데 먹고 싶어.
네, welcome.
Thank you Heart TV, Thank you Malaysia. 인사드리겠습니다. 둘 셋.
Crunch.
감사합니다. 지켜주셨습니다. 안녕. Let's go move. I love you guys. Shout out to Heart TV. 안녕하세요.
Hello. Alright, so d.crunch stands for Diamond Crunch, and it means that we can crunch and break anything we want.
So does that mean you can crunch diamonds too?
Yeah,
Wow.
can crunch anything.
다이몬드 있어.
Dylan's from New Zealand.
Yeah, I'm from New Zealand.
Are you the only English speaker in the member?
Yeah, I think so.
딜런 씨가 영어하고 다른 분들은 언어 할 수 있는 거 있나요?
Little bit English.
Okay, let's go. The title Pure has the message that these days a lot of people have their masks on, like they hide their emotions and they can't say what they want to say. So we're saying that you have to take off your mask and keep your identity.
You guys are awesome.
Wow, thank you.
All right, we're gonna have d.crunch give you questions, so I hope you get it right. Who's gonna give the question?
Ovi, you want to try?
Oh, Dylan. Dylan's
yeah.
gonna try. Dylan.
He's Korean.
All right, whenever you're ready.
So can I start?
Yes.
Yep. In the beginning of the Pure music video, one member has his eyes covered. Who is this member?
Dylan.
Dylan.
Who's the? What's the answer?
Dylan.
It's Dylan.
Is it right?
맞나요?
Yeah, it's
맞습니다.
right.
Thank you for hanging out. Is there anything you want to say to the members?
Love you.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Do better.
자 마이크.
저희 이번 듀에로의 포인트 안무는요. 토르 춤입니다.
또르.
네, Do We Like 거부터 불러드리겠습니다.
토르처럼.
저는 Do We Like a Beer?
와우, 야. 저걸 무대에서 합니다.
Hello.
Hello.
Too easy. Too easy.
우리 체리가 노래를 하지만
We like to party, say la 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 la.
I love you all.
All right, thank you, Cherry. Bye bye.
Thank you.
5, 6, 7.
She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. Confessing, I'll be shaking and loving when you go crazy. You take all my innovations. It's nothing holding me back.
네, 안녕하세요. 저희는 피스메이커입니다.
피스메이커.
피스메이커, 평화의 상징. 평화의 상징은 무엇이냐? 비둘기. 저희는 무슨 년생? 99년생.
야. 99년생끼리 뭐?
네, 저희는 팀에서 어리기 때문에 팀 이름을 이제 젊은 피, 영 블러드라고 지었습니다.
얼마나 어리길래?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
와. 자 몇 개 했나요?
딜런 씨 나와주세요.
Young first.
자.
Relax. Relax.
찬영이 형!
Relax. Relax.
위명 씨! 위명 드디어! 손 떼면 안 돼요?
그다음은 무엇인가요?
I think this question is really simple because Diana's support always make us keep going and can stay strong because of you. Thank you.
Alright.
Do it like a beer, bro. Got me feeling good. Do it like a beer, bro. Got me feeling good.
좋아.
Do it like a beer, bro. Got me feeling good. Do it like a beer, bro. Got me feeling good. Do it like a beer, bro. Got me feeling good. Do it like a Pierrot. Got me feeling good.
Do it like a Pierrot. Good. Do it like a Pierrot. Got me feeling good.
좋아요.
Do it like a Pierrot, got me feeling good.
자,
Do it
Like a Pierrot, got me feeling good.
good.
5, 6, 7, 8.
it
Do it like a Pierrot, got me feeling good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it like a Pierrot, got me feeling good.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with another album next time. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Love you.
Thank you.
짓누르는 어깨 위에 두 손이 가리키는 대로 따라가